Daily cleaning of the filter pan is perhaps the most critical factor in the optimal performance of the filtration system. Cleaning the filter pan regularly removes debris that can restrict the flow of oil back to the fry pot and prevents the accumulation of sediments that can impact the lifespan of the pump seal kit, and pump motor. The filter pan is located at the bottom of the fryer, behind the front door, and it is composed of the following parts: filter pan cover, standpipe assembly, crumb catcher, filter envelope clips, filter envelope, woven screen, and filter pan. This video is going to show you how to take apart the filter pan, how to clean it, and how to put it back together. These procedures apply to both 4-head pressure fryers and Series 320 open fryers. Start by removing the filter pan from the fryer by first making sure that the fryer is off, the drain valve closed, and that the filter pan doesn't have a large amount of oil in it. Undo the dairy union connection by turning the dairy nut counterclockwise and wait a few seconds to allow oil trapped in the return line to drain, and then remove the filter pan by pulling from the filter pan handle. Caution: before you start taking the filter pan assembly apart, please wear protective gear or make sure that it is cool to the touch by letting it cool down for at least 20 minutes. Take the filter pan assembly to the wet washing area and wipe off any oil and debris attached to the lid with a damp kitchen towel. Remove the lid and wipe down the crumb catcher. Also remove the standpipe assembly by turning it in a counterclockwise motion. Separate crumb catcher from the filter envelope and finish wiping it down. Remove filter envelope clips and take the woven screen out of the filter envelope and throw filter envelope in a trash container. Scrape off or wipe down bottom of the filter pan and dispose of debris and sediments in the trash can, lined with enough disposable towels to absorb the discarded oil, or follow your company's guideline to properly dispose of used oil and perishable residues. Wash all components with water and soap. Rinse and sanitize prior to assembly. Before assembly, ensure that all components are dry. You can use a clean, dry towel. To start putting the filter pan together, start with a clean and dry filter pan. Place the woven screen into a new, dry filter envelope. Align the woven screen connector with the hole in the filter envelope. Bend the corners of the opening of the envelope and then make 2 folds. Once twice folded, place both clips about 3 fingers away from each corner and place the screen in the filter pan with the connector facing up. Next, place the crumb catcher by aligning the opening in the middle of it with the connector in the woven screen. Make sure that the concave area of the crumb catcher is facing up, otherwise the stand-up pipe won't connect correctly. Thread the stand-up pipe into the woven screen by turning it in a clockwise motion. Don't over-tighten the pipe. The exit side of the stand-up pipe assembly should face the narrow side of the filter pan. Finalize assembly by placing the lid in place. The notch in the lid must match the exit side of the stand-up pipe. Place the fully assembled filter pan back in the bottom of the fryer and connect the stand-up pipe assembly to the return line by threading the dairy union in a clockwise motion. Do not over-tighten. Close the door.